Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Clue Trading Frank, a very important video cast here on the real-time dynamics of what's going on. So we had a powerful pre-market. It was actually a pre-market hit right up here at the 218 level on the SPYs when the futures were up about 7 points early this morning, around 5 a.m. this morning. I was up to quickly take a look at it. And since then, there's been nothing but a waterfall decline. This is what we call it. And that waterfall decline right now is heading towards, if I'm following the algo charts, towards R3. R2 is at 215.80, 88, and I'm sorry, S2, support 2 is at 216, rounding off the numbers, and S3 is at 215. That's support 3. What we're seeing here is an attempted bounce which got sold hard. Alerted my all members and free trial subscribers on buying into SPX and SPY puts, which have generated so far and still running about 100% plus. You will see a minor bounce here. You will see a minor bounce here as the market attempts to take back the double bottom here from yesterday noontime and 1 p.m. right there, right? 216.51. You're seeing that happen right now. In the meantime, you are seeing, and also this low here, which was the low from August 26th, which just got retested. However, this is what predictive analytics comes in. Okay, sorry, I can't talk this morning. Is if you look at the slow stows, it got very overbought right at the pivot level, right there. And for people who follow technical indicators like a hawk, um, you'll see that even though the fast stochastics also got overbought early this morning around 5 a.m. This is pre and post market, real time charts on the spies. Since then, it came down and it's still. Even though it's an oversold territory, this takes more precedence right now, which is the slow stochastics telling us that the market needs to go a bit lower, possibly towards the 216 level here, or slightly lower, as I showed, for the slow stows to get fully oversold. Once this gets oversold, like we saw yesterday, and I alerted, those SPX calls generated also 100% on the money sold first thing in the morning. Okay, almost 100% of the money. And so the point is that it's all about tactical trading. I mean, you can't make these things up. This is what's going on. If you look at the overall shape of the chart, you can see intense volatility. We're still making money between these ramps up and down. However, the overall chart does not look good, and that's a fact, right? And if I switch this to, so again, the slow stows have to reset all the way down to oversold levels down here below 20, below 25, and that's when again a buyable opportunity comes in. If somebody wants to scalp here quick, they have to be very fast. You got to follow the 15-minute charts. I'm sure the 15 minutes it's quite oversold right now. And let's take a look here. Yes, it is. The slow stows on the 15-minute is oversold, and so is the fast stochastic. So you will get a minor bounce here to test the broken support from yesterday, and and the support from the 26th, right? 26th of August. Look, robotic, algorithmic, high frequency trading black boxes don't, I mean, they follow mathematical patterns. That's exactly what I'm trying to show in these numerous broadcasts that I'm doing on my video cast. It's up to you to learn and manage however you can, but these are important. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily is tough to see here, so I'm going to move to the SPX. So the SPX daily has this big flush candle. That's no good because there's a first candle, second candle, first candle, second candle, third candle, and the fourth candle reverses. So looking at where we are, there's a good shot that by tomorrow we're going to test 2146 here. That's another 20 points or so, another 120 points or so on the Dow by tomorrow as the jobs numbers comes out. So you get a strong jobs number. Fed's now in a real bind. We got soft economic data, okay, and today on the ISM manufacturing and all that stuff, which I posted. and then they got to raise rates in September. So what gives? What gives is a difficult time. Okay, period. So saying all that, that's the promised land for the shorts, 2146. I think we get there. We're also seeing negative patterns on the fast toes, which are not oversold yet down here, right? And the slow toes are certainly not climbing higher. They're tweaking down. So again, they need to get oversold again. That's it. Keep watching and listen and act.